Uttarakhand, a state in northern India crossed by the Himalayas, is known for its Hindu pilgrimage sites. Beauty is so inherent to almost all the things Uttarakhand stands for. The magnanimous Himalayas, the holiest of the rivers, the stunning landscapes, the incessantly colorful play of nature, enchanting history carved in ancient stones, a mesmerizing floral and faunal plethora, and the simplest of the people. Myths, anecdotes, and stories are part of every visual that unfolds itself to the eyes of the beholder. Oli. Oli is in Chamoli district in the Himalayan mountains of Uttarakhand. Oli, also known as Oli Bugyal in Garhwali, which means meadow, is located at an elevation of 2,800 meters above sea level. Oli is renowned for the fascinating ski resorts and stunning natural vistas. Bounded by the snowy peaks of the mighty Himalayas, this hilly terrain offers the sceneries of oak-fringed slopes, coniferous forests, apple orchards, and fine deodar trees, and spectacular views of the lofty mountain ranges like Nanda Devi, Mana Parvat, and Kamat Kamet. Oli prefers a credible past that dates back to the 8th century, blessed with the sacred visit of Shankaracharya. Aptly called as the heaven for skiing activities, the harsh frosty storms, the sylvan peaks, and the long stretch of snowy valleys would make idyllic surroundings for a skier. The former training ground of the Indo-Tibetan Police Force, Oli has gained the status of a popular hill resort within a short span of time because it is bestowed with all that is enough to thrill the onlookers. The nature at its full bloom gives a feeling of an awe-inspiring time which cannot be wiped out from our wildest dreams. Apart from being home to many natural attractions, Oli also presents tourists enough opportunities to engage in fun and adventure activities. Here are a few beautiful places to visit on a tour to Oli. The artificial lake of Oli is one of the most beautiful man's best creations. The water from this lake is strategically used to feed the snow guns stationed along the ski slopes and thus provides a smooth skiing surface and extends the popular ski season. Gurson Bugyal is a picturesque wide meadow known for its lush green pasture land and oak trees. It affords stunning panoramic view of imposing Himalayas like Nanda Devi, Trishul and Drone. Chhatrakund Lake is a small lake of sweet crystal clear water near Oli. Located at an elevation around 3,300 meters above sea level, Chhatrakund Lake is surrounded by lush green forests. Chhatrakund Lake is situated at a distance of 4 kilometers from Oli. Named after the trident of Lord Shiva, Trishul Peak is the group of three imposing peaks of western Kumaon near the Bageshwar district. Closer to the Nanda Devi sanctuary, this peak is one of the best Oli tourist places to see. The gorgeous Roopkund Lake rests at the bottom of these slopes, which is also known as the Mystery Lake, since around 600 odd skeletal remains of humans were once found here. The Chenab Lake is situated near Dang village of the pilgrim town and the last village of Oli. It is a crystalline lake, and like most lakes here at Ollie, this one too is breathtakingly beautiful. The lake is surrounded by lush greenery. On the way to the lake, the peaks of Nanda Devi can be seen. Joshimath, also known as Jyotirmath, is the winter seat of Lord Shiva and thus is reckoned to be a sacred place in Uttarakhand. Joshimath is also famed as the gateway for mountain climbing expeditions, trekking, and several other thrilling activities. One of the major tourist attractions in Ollie is to enjoy a cable car ride. Locally known as a gondola, the cable car ride in Ollie is the second highest and the longest cable car ride in Asia after Gulmarg. Perched at a staggering height of 3010 meters above sea level, the entire trip is a visual delight. Dedicated to the 10th Sikh Guru Gobind Singh, Hemkund Sahib is the most important Gurudwara in the world. Along with the Gurudwara, there is also a small temple of Lakshman, Lord Rama's brother. Ollie makes for one of the best skiing grounds in the world and is an ideal snow skiing tourism destination in India. The best time to visit for skiing in Ollie is from late November till March. On the onset of winter, the mountains of Ollie gets covered in a blanket of snow. From surreal mountain peaks to enticing ski slopes, fused with a sense of tranquility, makes Ollie, hands down, a picture-perfect winter destination in India. A trip to Ollie is enchanting throughout the year. Ollie, being a mesmerizing hill station in Uttarakhand, is a perfect getaway destination even in summers. Ollie is a work of magic. The serene meadows, the snow delight, and some of the most picturesque sights in the world add a mesmerizing charm to your eyes.